How to turn on sync contacts on Snapchat. Hello guys, today I will show you how to turn on this option. Just watch the video until the end and make sure that you subscribe in our channel. So let's start. You go first and you open Snapchat. After this, when Snap is opening, you will go here on your profile icon. Then you will go to settings here. Then on settings you will have a long list. You will just go down to contact syncing. Then you click, then you will have the first option, sync contact. You will now just turn on this option by clicking here on this option, this icon like this, and now it will work with you. And that's it guys. I hope this video is useful for you. Don't forget to like, subscribe in our channel. See you next